Have you ever wondered if a small, old house could be transformed into a calm little retreat simply by opening it to light, fresh air, and nature? Juana is a beautiful example of how a modest home can be given a completely new life without losing the traces of its past. Located in the Coghlan neighborhood of Buenos Aires, Argentina, Juana was originally a compact apartment made up of 4 enclosed rooms. Small windows and limited natural light made the interior feel dark and disconnected from the outside. Instead of completely rebuilding the house, the architects chose a gentler approach. They removed some of the existing walls and opened the home toward a new internal courtyard. Three rooms were merged into one larger social space containing the kitchen, living room, entrance, and workspace. Large sliding glass doors now connect these spaces directly with the courtyard, allowing sunlight and fresh air to move freely through the house. Surrounded by white walls and filled with greenery, it creates a quiet atmosphere in the middle of the city. From inside, the garden is always present, framed through large openings reflected in the glass and softened by the changing shadows of the trees. Looking at these spaces, it is easy to imagine a slower rhythm of life, sitting quietly by the window, reading a book, enjoying a cup of coffee, or simply watching sunlight move across the floor. When the old ceilings were removed, the architects discovered an original brick barrel vault, a characteristic feature of traditional Buenos Aires homes. Instead of covering it, they restored the brick and allowed it to become the main character of the interior. The new architecture deliberately stops below the old brick ceiling, creating a visible dialogue between past and present. The history of the house remains above, while contemporary life unfolds beneath it. The bedroom is kept more private, separated from the social spaces. Its windows are positioned higher on the wall, allowing views toward the treetops while protecting the occupants from the street. It becomes a place to slow down, reconnect, and feel at home. One of the most interesting parts of PH Juana is that the project does not try to erase the old house. Instead, it opens the existing spaces to bring in more light, air, and greenery. And maybe that is something worth asking ourselves. Do we always need to build something completely new to create a better life? Or can we sometimes find beauty simply by opening what already exists? PH Juana shows that architecture can be quiet and transformative at the same time. By bringing light, air, greenery, and history together, this small home becomes more than a renovation.